Magnitude 7.2 ang lindol na tumama dito sa Bohol.
Karon amo i-share ang experience paglinom ka October 15, 2013. So naa diri atong isa ka interview kung sa iyo experience paglinom. Kasi nga ni mo ba?
Ako de, si Merilus Jan.
Nag-asa ka?
Taga Cebu ko nga, viewer dyan. Ayun, arin ako nagpuyo sa Bohol.
So sa may kung ano mo paglinom mo, diin man ka ato.
Nga ako sa Cebu ato ma'am din, kuhan. Nga ako sa eskwelahan kay klase mo nga.
Kusog-kusog ba po ang kuan dito alin?
Oo, kusog-kusog po.
Diyan ka, di ba sa man mo sa inyong kuan, maestro nga naman mo sa eskwela.
Kuhan ko ng pagkahitabo nila to kay nang anatong lamida yun. Patago mi sa ilang sa bangko. Kanang buwan rami nga kanang hinahinay ng linog hantod sa mawa bitaw.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto?
Kuya niya kanang kulba kayo kay ano basin niya di may tabo bitaw.
Salamat ma'am. Ikaduha na to nga interview ko, nagusay ang experience paglinom. Kasi name nimo sir?
Ral,
Taga-asa man ka?
taga-tagpilaran.
Unsa may na-experience mo paglinom sir?
Ano tayo sinabi sa mga balay. Padang may maglaag. Tapos, ikalitag, linog kusog. Puto, nagipasod sa balay. Tapos, pag umanat to, pag linog, ipagawas bigay, ibamakil.
Kusog-kusog to to sir.
Kusog, susunod to.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto?
Napilaw, kahadlog at balay. First time na ako to na
Sa to nga interview kung sa iyong experience paglinom. Unsa yung name nimo sir?
Lumis yung bilang
Taga-asa man ka?
dawis
Di? Gusto man ka paglinom?
last bite o parang pamilya.
Kusog-kusog to to sa inyo sir.
Gusto kayo kuyapan ka.
Unsa may na-feel nimo adto di ay?
First time lang kuyapan naman ang bang.
Nakalaban ka unja, naka-recover pud ka dayo.
Oh.
Good morning everyone, I'm Erwin Lumod Baguio. I share it why I experienced during the earthquake in Bohol was extreme fear and shock because I did not expect that to happen at that time. I was just a child when that happened and I did know what to do survive the situation. I feel a lot of fear and at that time and just obeyed those who were older than me so that I would get hurt. We went where there was a flat area and no trees to avoid things pulling the others hide in the fields because there were no trees and far from the houses there I could see the fear on the face of the people and what kind of oaths they made just to stop the earthquake in Bohol. Many trees fell and some houses were damaged. The roads had potholes. I have heard a lot of old people's rumors about the existence of an earthquake in Bohol, which I believe at that time. I can only see one thing when there is an earthquake in Bohol, don't ignore it because you can damage it, especially and we can't know what will happen in the future. And that's all.
This is Cedric Decalicot from Section S3P. My personal experience in earthquake is getting nervous and rattled and I don't know what I can do because first time in my life experiencing an earthquake 7.2 magnitude. And after the earthquake, so many infrastructure get destroyed and so many lives are lost.
My name is Ronji G. Cachapero, S3P BSMT. My experience during the 2013 earthquake is I feel afraid and shocked. I don't know how to do because it is my first time to experience that kind of earthquake. I don't know how to do. That time I ran to my father and go to the safe place. We evacuate and go to the barangay hall that time. That time is very difficult because there is no electricity that I charge my gadget and no TV I can watch. Especially the night, there is no electricity. And the most impact is our house is destroyed that time. We forced to live in the barangay hall because our house was destroyed. So far, we faced the disaster and endure it, and thanks to God that my family is safe and
So, mga din sila ang akong na-interview kung sa na-experience paglino.